know somebody just dropped. There's like square. Look at the square waves. Those are. Look at that storm. There is roof access, but I don't think I want to go to the roof right now. Dude, did you guys see that lightning strike? You guys, this is insane.
You should like totally jump.
No, I'm good. Dude, listen, like nobody on the beach except for that one little person right there. Except for that one person down there. Oh my god. Look at the pier. This is crazy.
Why is that person swimming in square waves? Right there in a jet ski.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, look.
Yo, he has a death wish.
That's not even a jet ski. That's a speedboat. Oh my.
Those seagulls are gonna drown.
Oh my gosh. Zeus must not be happy today. Oh boy. It's a big. We got a tropical storm on our hands.
That means a tsunami's coming.
It does not mean a tsunami is coming.
When do tsunamis come?
Out in the ocean somewhere. This is not tsunami weather. But yeah, that's huge. Yeah, I'm going inside, bro. I'm going. That's insane. Those are insane waves. Let me know if those are insane or not. But yeah, peace out. Love y'all, man. See y'all later.